Everyone, in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install different language keyboards on Mac. Starting from the desktop screen, what you will first do is go to System Preferences. Then you will open the Keyboard Preferences. From there, you will select the tab that says Input Sources. Next, right below where it shows the different keyboard already added to your computer, in this case, the United States keyboard, you will find a small plus and minus button. Please click on the plus. A new tab with a list of languages will now appear. Browse for the one you want to add. In this tutorial, I will be using the Japanese keyboard as an example. Once you find the one you want, you select it. As you can see, when I select the Japanese keyboard option, two options appear, Japanese Kana and Japanese Romanji. Depending on which language you are adding, this might happen for you too. If you're taking a Japanese course, I suggest you select the Japanese Romanji, as this will automatically change the English characters that are on a United States keyboard into Japanese characters as you type. Once you select which keyboard you would like, you will then click Add. You can then click on the language option on the left side of the tab. It will display different options to you. Continuing with the example of Japanese, if you want to add another alphabet of that language, in this case katakana, you would check this box. Then, on your own personal computer, as it will not stay saved on Mount Holyoke College computers, you will select the box that says Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. What this does is it creates a shortcut in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, right up here. When you want to switch to another language, click on the flag in the upper right-hand corner. Usually it is the United States flag, as this is the default keyboard for computers made in the United States. And a drop-down menu will appear with all the language keyboards you've added. You can then select which one you want to use. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it helps.